In this video, we'll show you how to change the parking brake shoes on your Chevy Silverado. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Chevy Silverado safely. It is now necessary to remove the caliper assembly. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Rear Brakes Chevy Silverado. It is now necessary to release the parking brake in order to clear the grip of the parking brake shoes on the disc. Sometimes this is not enough to remove the disc. You will have to remove the shutter cover located behind the backing plate with a flat screwdriver. You can now reach the adjustment mechanism of the brake shoes and retract the brake shoes until the disc is free. Then remove the disc. Sometimes the disc may get stuck on the hub. If this happens, use a hammer to remove it. Now you can see your truck's parking brake shoes. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the upper spring that holds the two brake shoes together. Using pliers, rotate the front brake shoe's quarter turn cup to release the hold-down clip. Then remove the pin. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the bottom spring that connects the two brake shoes. You can now remove the front brake shoe from its slot. Perform the same operation on the rear brake shoe. Remove the rear brake shoe. Clean the brake backing plate with a wire brush, brake cleaner, and paper towels. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Grease the bearing surfaces of the parking brake shoes with copper grease. You can order the parking brake shoes used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the parking brake shoes and the upper spring. Lightly coat the ends of the parking brake shoes with copper grease to help them slide more easily. Then, put the upper spring back in place. Insert the brake shoes starting from the top parts. Now you can put in the first hold-down pin. Then, install the spring and the quarter turn cup using pliers. Position the brake shoes correctly in the brake cylinder. Take the new adjuster. Apply silicone grease to prevent corrosion over time. Then, assemble the adjuster as shown in the video. Put the adjuster back in place between the brake shoes, paying attention to the direction of assembly. Put it back in the same position as shown in the video. Now you can put in the second hold-down pin. Then, install the spring and the quarter turn cup using pliers. Take the bottom spring. Install it in its location. Then, clean the contact surface between the brake shoes and the disc with brake cleaner and paper towels. Reinstall the brake disc. Set the mechanism back until there is a slight friction between the brake shoes and the disc. You can now reinstall the caliper assembly. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Rear Brakes Chevrolet Silverado. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Attention! Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to push the brake pads together again. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.